Take an entertaining and informative cooking class at the New Orleans School of Cooking. Located in a renovated molasses warehouse built in the early 1800s, this cooking class brings you to the heart of Orleansâ French Quarter. Learn the basics of Louisiana cooking from professional chefs and learn how to make classic New Orleans specialties such as gumbo, jambalaya, and pralines. Enjoy the finishedÂ delectable dishes accompanied by complimentary beer, iced tea, and coffee, and take the recipes home with you. Wheelchair accessible. Public transportation options are available nearby. Transportation options are wheelchair accessible. All areas and surfaces are wheelchair accessible. Please note, this is a demonstration class only, there is no hands-on training. Dietary restrictions. We can accommodate dietary restrictions. Please call our reservations line after booking. For a $5 upcharge payable at check-in, you will receive our gumbo z-herbs, soup, and creole z-herbs, entree, as substituions, which are vegan, gluten-free, and nut-free. Please note these meals are not demonstrated, but are discussed and you will receive a copy of them. Due to the nature of the class, we cannot make substituions to the recipes that are being prepared during the demonstration. Based on your dietary restrictions, maybe you can have the soup, but not the entree. You are welcome to do so. We ask that you inform the stewards upon check-in. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older to book.